Are you tired of feeling like your credit card is just a piece of plastic? A necessary evil that barely rewards you for your spending? What if it could be more than that? What if it could actually work with your investments and not just drain your bank account? That's the question Robinhood is asking with their new gold card. And if you're like me, you probably have a million questions swirling in your head. Is it worth it? What are the catches? And most importantly, how does it actually fit into your financial life? Let's break it down. We all know Robinhood as the platform that democratized investing, bringing commission-free trading to the masses. Now, they're stepping into the credit card arena, and they're doing it with a twist. They're not just offering another rewards card, they're aiming to integrate it seamlessly with their existing financial ecosystem, specifically their Robinhood Gold subscription. So, what exactly is the Robinhood Gold Card? Simply put, it's a premium rewards credit card designed exclusively for Robinhood Gold subscribers. It's not a standalone product. You need that Gold membership to even apply. Think of it as an upgrade, a way to supercharge your existing Robinhood experience. Now, let's talk about the features that are making people sit up and take notice. The core selling point, and the one that's getting the most attention, is the 3% cash back on all categories. Yes, you heard that right. No rotating categories, no spending caps, just a flat 3% back on everything you buy. That's a pretty compelling offer in a world where most cards offer tiered rewards that require you to jump through hoops. But it doesn't stop there. Robinhood is also emphasizing the seamless integration with your Robinhood Gold account. The cashback you earn doesn't just sit in some separate account. It automatically gets invested into your brokerage account, allowing you to grow your wealth passively. This is where the card truly differentiates itself. It's not just about spending, it's about investing. Imagine this: you buy groceries, fill up your gas tank, and pay your monthly bills. All those purchases contribute to your investment portfolio, effectively turning your everyday spending into a continuous stream of investments. This is a powerful concept, especially for those who are serious about building long-term wealth. And let's not forget about the other perks. The card comes with no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, and access to MasterCard's World Elite benefits. These include things like travel insurance, purchase protection, and concierge services. All of these combined create a very attractive package for those looking for a premium credit card experience. Now, let's dig a little deeper into the details. The 3% cashback is a major draw, but it's crucial to understand how it works in practice. The cashback is credited to your Robinhood brokerage account after each statement cycle, and it's treated like any other cash deposit. This means you can invest it in stocks, ETFs, or any other assets available on the Robinhood platform. This automatic investment feature is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it's incredibly convenient and helps you build wealth without any extra effort. On the other hand, it means you don't have the option to take the cash back as a statement credit or direct deposit to your bank account. It's all in, all the time. This commitment to investing is a key differentiator. It's not just about earning rewards, it's about putting those rewards to work. If you're someone who believes in the power of compound interest, this feature is a game changer. But, as with any financial product, there are a few things to consider. First and foremost, you need to be a Robinhood Gold subscriber. This subscription costs $5 per month, so you need to factor that into your overall cost. If you're not already using Robinhood Gold, you need to determine if the benefits of the subscription, combined with the credit card, justify the monthly fee. Another important consideration is your spending habits. If you're not a big spender, the 3% cashback might not be enough to offset the $5 monthly fee. You need to do the math and figure out how much you need to spend to make the card worthwhile. And let's be honest, Robinhood hasn't always had the best reputation when it comes to customer service. While they've made strides in recent years, it's still something to keep in mind. If you encounter any issues with your card, you want to be sure you can get the support you need. It's also worth noting that the Robinhood Gold Card is a relatively new product. This means there might be some kinks to work out, and the features and benefits could evolve over time. It's always a good idea to stay informed and keep an eye on any updates or changes. Now, let's talk about the competition. There are plenty of other rewards credit cards on the market, some offering higher cash back rates in specific categories, and others offering travel rewards or other perks. So, how does the Robinhood Gold Card stack up? The key difference lies in the integration with the Robinhood ecosystem. If you're already a Robinhood user, and especially if you're a Gold subscriber, the card offers a unique value proposition. The automatic investment feature is a powerful tool for building wealth, and the simplicity of the 3% cash back makes it easy to understand and use. However, if you're not a Robinhood user, or if you prefer the flexibility of taking your rewards as cash or statement credits, there are other cards that might be a better fit. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your individual financial goals and preferences. If you're looking for a simple, straightforward rewards card that helps you build wealth passively, the Robinhood Gold Card is definitely worth considering. If you are a frequent traveler, or someone who values the flexibility of redeeming points for travel or merchandise, you might find other cards more appealing. It's also important to remember that credit cards are a tool, and like any tool, they should be used responsibly. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions, and always pay your balance on time to avoid interest charges. The Robinhood Gold Card is an interesting addition to the credit card landscape. It's a bold move by Robinhood, and it reflects their commitment to democratizing finance and empowering their users. It's clear they are trying to create a credit card that's more than just a spending tool. They're aiming to create a financial instrument that actively contributes to your long-term wealth. Whether or not it's the right card for you depends on your individual circumstances. But one thing is for sure, it's a card that's worth paying attention to. It's a card that's challenging the traditional credit card model, and it's a card that's putting the power of investing into the hands of everyday consumers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.